Specialized is a global brand, and we sell bikes in all markets across the world. If you take a look at Oracle's customer-first mentality, it's really the same for us. We really want to go out of our way to ensure that they have the most premium experience possible. Some of the challenges we've experienced is supply chain and how we are working with our suppliers to ensure that we're keeping up with demand. Our inventory was not in place for a period of anywhere from 6 to 12 months. And so our riders were waiting for their orders, but we couldn't fulfill them in the expectations that they wanted. So being able to have visibility into our product as it's leaving the supplier all the way through our DCs, through the delivery to our independent bike dealerships, and then actually to our riders is super important. We transitioned to OCI in November of 2020, and as we were migrating to OCI, we did a lift and shift of our EBS platform into OCI, and that was in a period of 5 months, which was really accelerated with Oracle, and we leveraged Oracle consulting services. One of the reasons why we selected Oracle Customer Success team specifically was around their ability to augment their team for ours and really drive that augmentation so that we could have our teams focus on more value-add work. We have our metrics with working with CSS the productivity has increased about 35%. Our EBS platform is our ERP, so it runs all of our back office, which is our finance, order management, planning. We also run Oracle Integration Cloud, CX Commerce for our B2B platform, and PLM Agile as well. Our Agile really runs the putting together our bikes and our components piece of the company. And then our CX Commerce is our B2B platform, which the majority of our business is with our independent bike dealerships, about 92%. Part of our supply chain issues have been addressed with leveraging OCI and the visibility of tracking our products as they're being released from our suppliers through our distribution, through our independent bike dealerships. And we've developed a Apex tool that really enhances as a dashboard for our retailers and our own retail stores to be able to move that inventory and see that inventory. Some of the things that we didn't expect was the accelerated partnership with Oracle, the ability to have a proactive engagement with them. Without Oracle's partnership, we would be in a different place. And when I say a different place, I mean we probably wouldn't have been accelerated as far along as we are in the past 3 years.
Hey, did you like what you learned? Make sure to check out this video or this link, and of course, subscribe now.